In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete addresses from Amazon. If you've ever moved house, sent a gift to a friend, or just tried out a different delivery location, your Amazon account can end up with a long list of old addresses. Cleaning these up not only makes checkout faster, it also helps you avoid accidentally sending an order to the wrong place. So let's walk through, step by step, how to remove addresses you no longer need. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, since addresses are saved separately for each account. Once you're signed in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a section labeled Accounts and Lists. Instead of clicking immediately, move your mouse over this area and hover on it for a moment. A drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page. On this page, Amazon organizes different options into tiles or boxes, each one dealing with a different area of your account, such as orders, login security, and so on. Take a moment to scan through these options and look for the one labeled Your Addresses. Once you've found Your Addresses, click on it. You'll now see a list of all the addresses that are currently saved to your account. Each address will appear in its own box, usually showing the name, street address, city, and other details. Find the specific address you want to delete. It might help to double check the details so you're sure you're removing the correct one, especially if you have several that look similar. At the bottom area of that address box, look for the word Remove. This is usually a small hyperlink or button. Click on Remove. When you do this, Amazon will show a confirmation pop-up. This is just to make sure you really want to delete the address, since you won't be able to use it for future orders unless you add it again. Read the confirmation message, and if you're sure you've selected the right address, click Yes to confirm. Once you've confirmed, that address will be deleted from your Amazon account. You can repeat the same process for any other old or incorrect addresses you want to clean up. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete addresses from Amazon, helping keep your account organized and your deliveries going exactly where they should.